This is a heavy-duty, super strong leveling feet designed specifically for thousands of pounds of outdoor kitchen weight with concrete counters, stone veneers. This is the only leveling foot on the market designed for outdoor kitchens. Now let's take a look here. Our original leveling foot, we had this nice big bolt where we would drill a hole through the frame and it would hold up your frames. Now our new improvement is we've added this base plate that can go up and down to any height here on your bolt. But what it does is now the base plate is hidden behind the steel tube here. It doesn't stick out like before. And secondly, you don't have to drill a hole through your steel tubing. It just sits on the ledge here, and you put 2 screws in the back here to secure this into place. And you also have holes here to bolt it to the ground. So this is a huge improvement, making it super easy to level 1,000-pound barbecue islands. DIY Outdoor Kitchen's heavy-duty leveling feet designed for heavy outdoor kitchen frames. It comes with 2 pieces. Your one here on the left, it has these special 4 holes that lets you bolt this down to the ground, which is very important. Most leveling feet don't have holes to bolt it to the ground. You have a very thick bolt here that is very, very strong to support the thousands of pounds of an outdoor kitchen, which is very important. And then you have our new invention that we've added, the no-cut plate here. Now let's go ahead and unscrew this and show how this works. So you take your top nut off and the top washer, which is a smaller diameter than the big washer. You slip that over, put the small washer, and then you bolt it down like this. And then you can see these 2 holes here. That's where you can screw into your square tubing with no cutting to hold it on the edge there. It works with the 25mm square tubing, and it also works with the 21mm square tubing, like so, for both sizes. And you just put it in with the screws. Now we'll go ahead and show you the measurements here. This is made of zinc. You can see it's very thick steel. It's zinc plated. You can see here we have about 6 inches with still a little bit of extra space to spare there. Now the great thing is you can come down right over this welded bolt here, and including the base plate, you'd be about a 1/2 inch off the ground. So you can put these on your module frames and get the base of the frame off the ground a 1/2 inch. And the great thing about that is it gives you a little bit of air ventilation, and it keeps the bottom of the frame rusting in weathers where you have a lot of rain or snow. You never want to have your steel framing, galvanized steel framing, even though it's protected from the weather, you don't want it sitting on the concrete in pooling water where over the years it's going to rust. We want to build something that's going to last a lifetime. So that's why you always want the base of your barbecue frame a little bit off the ground. And these leveling feet do a great job. Now, if you don't want to use leveling feet and you have a perfectly level concrete pad that you're working on, you can go down to Home Depot or Lowe's and ask them for something called composite decking, which is like a board made of recycled materials that will not rot, and you could put that under the base of your frame. But we really like to use these specially designed leveling feet for outdoor kitchen frames. It's just very easy. You don't have to carry big boards in your car. You can just easily do this with no drilling holes into your frame. It's really an easy and great way to level your outdoor kitchen frame or just to keep it up off the ground.